Hi guys, it's Isa. Anybody love glitter mail as much as I do? I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is an unboxing video from products that I got. It's not just glitter. Products that I got from Laura's Art Corner. And Laura also sells pigments and powders, mica powders from Laura's Expressions. Laura's is an Australian-based company. This is the Angel White paste by Laura's. I swear by this stuff. If you're doing ocean, beaches, if you're looking for cells and lacing, this stuff is phenomenal. So that, and then I saw this paste that I haven't seen before, and I don't have a good bubblegum pink paste, and this is so pretty. It's called Taffy Pink. I won't open the Angel White because, well, it's white. Y'all know what white looks like. And this is going to look just like it too. I don't think I want to open it. I want to open it just yet, because it's a clear container, so you can totally see it. But there's no shimmer in it. It's just very pink. It's so pretty. So that's that. These are shell veneers. Seen them on the site and I'm so curious. They are just super thin shell veneers. I gotta show you this close up. I will show you. Let me get this one open too. And you can break them or cut them however you want. I'll show them close up in just a second. Let me get this all open here. I probably should have opened them all beforehand. I know. But while I am opening these, if you're looking for glitter or stones, glass pieces, just little embellishments, for your resin work, acrylics, or just glitter doodles. Oh my goodness, look at this stuff. Oh my goodness. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Yeah, so if you're looking for any of that sort of stuff, pigment pastes, go over and visit Laura's Art Corner. I have a 10% discount code. And that is good for Lorez products or for Laura's Art Corner products. So if you're looking for Lorez products, and you're in the US, go to Laura's and get it because you get the 10% discount. I mean, other people might sell it in the US. I'm not sure, but you can get the 10% discount with my code down below. All right, I'm going to come over there for the close-ups because these are going to be really pretty. And I'm going to move this over a little bit because I noticed that when I'm on that side of the camera, y'all can't hear me. So this is the Taffy Pink paste. See how pretty it is? It's very bubblegum pinky. These are the shell veneers. See how thin they are? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can cut them or snap them or break them. And then this one's really cool too. Isn't that pretty? So both sides have, so pretty. That'd be really cool. All right, here's some glass. These are glass bits. This is silver crushed glass. Look at that. They're like really... I'm going to show you guys close-ups. I have been down with a headache. Recently, a lot. So, and my anxiety is through the roof. So, I know y'all have noticed my fingers. They look horrible, but I can't keep them out of my mouth. So, instead of you focusing on my nasty ass fingers, I'm going to put my little gloves on. So you just focus on just that, and plus it focuses better. So these are really tiny, and they are mirror. And then this is the rose ones. Ooh, I'm loving these. I'm loving these. Wouldn't that look pretty together in a piece? And then, ooh, I got some, see now with my gloves it looks fancy, like I'm a diamond dealer. These are cubic zirconias that she sells in like, I think 3 or 4 different sizes. It's like I just did a diamond heist, huh? How pretty are those? You guys. And then these are some just little balls. They're metal balls. I think she's got silver ones too, but I got the rose gold. They're so tiny. Look like tiny little shiny BBs of goodness. So cool. All right. Moving on. This is the Opulence glitter powder. This stuff is so, so, so fine. Uh-oh, watch. It's gonna poof. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've showed you the pink and the blue and the silver already, but I didn't have the green. Ugh. Gorgeous. This is lilac glass glitter. Small flakes, large flakes. So pretty. Then I have, oh, I forgot about these. These are the UV fine glitters. This is the blue Opal. I got UV purple and the UV pink. So see, hang on one second. I'm going to grab my UV light. It's plugged in over there, so I'm gonna zoom in. I don't know if it'll work in the bottles, but we're about to find out, right? Let's leave that UV light on it for a minute. Oh, I cannot wait to do a tumbler with these. You guys, look at them. Look it. Oh, I got you zoomed in. Let's bring it back. Look at the purple now. Oh, I shook this one. Hang on. I shook it so it quit turning blue. See the difference? I cannot wait to do a tumbler. All right, so those are the UVs. And then I have these two. pigments. These are from Italy, I believe. I got aluminum and pale rich gold. Ugh, can't open it. I think these are a powder. Oh, wow. Oh, you see that poof? Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Look at that. Wow. Okay, don't breathe, don't breathe. And now here's the aluminum. Don't breathe. Oh my goodness. See it pop up? It's so fine. These are called Iridon. Iridon pigments. So beautiful. All right, guys, so that concludes my glitter and pigment. Oops, sorry. Glitter and pigment. What is it? Unboxing. Here, this is close up the Veneers, the shell Veneers, on a white background. So pretty. I am super excited to do a project here. So thanks for watching, and head on over to Laura's Art Corner and get yourself some of these goodies, these embellishments. You know me, I'm like the queen of embellishment. But get yourself some of this stuff and use my code for 10% off. I will leave that somewhere on the screen here and also in the description. So have a great day, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this and go see her store. I'll talk to you later. Bye.